Go by the name Azil. I'm a singer, songwriter, producer, and audio engineer. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a bass track or a group track in Cubase. So for those who are starting out on Cubase and would like to learn more, you guys can tell me which tutorials do you want me to do down in the comment section. You guys are also free to request any kind of videos. Let's say you want to know more about auxes, how to compress EQs and all. You guys can request on the comment section, and I'm definitely gonna make a video about that. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So the first thing, just like on my previous video on how to create a bass track or groups in Ableton Live 12, I'm gonna show you guys how to first create like a track in Cubase 15. So the first thing you need to do is to right click and say add track, and you have to make sure that for all your recording tracks are supposed to be in mono. Then here you can select the number of tracks. Let's just say 3 for example. So these will be for vocals. Now we have our 3 tracks. So that's how you create a track in Cubase for those who are starting out. Let's get into the part where we create the bass or the group. So with the same process, we right click. So instead of saying create track or instrument or MIDI or sampler or effect track, we'll select group. When we select group, we need to change the configuration to stereo. Groups are always in stereo, whether it's sends or auxes, they should always be on stereo. So now we have our group. We can rename it. Let's just say bass 1. Then we have our bass here. So in order for us to send these tracks to the bass, you have to click on your first one, and then you come here to routing, you click, so then you select group, do the same for this one, do the same for this one. So now these tracks are now routed to this bass track, to the bass track. So whatever you do to this bass track will affect these tracks. For example, let's see if I can make an example with something. Let me just try to input something here. Let me see. Yeah, I'll just input this song. Let me take this song. This is just for the tutorial sake. You guys shouldn't be doing this. So yeah, I just want to show you guys how this works. So now we have these. We'll just pretend as if this is our vocal. Okay, so now we come to our bass. So in order for you to have to add effects, plugins or whatsoever, you can either click here on this E right here for effects, and you to take you to this part right here. So this is where you can add your effects. Some of you can just bring up the mixer, this mixer down here, and you guys can do the same thing, add the effects from here. Or you can just enable this side channel here. You can also add the effects from here. You can see effect insects, then for your sends they go right there. So let's just click here. Let's see what we can add. Let's just say compressor. Let's go to my favorite. Where is it? Yeah, the CLA. So let's play. I'm just gonna increase the gain. So you guys can hear how it works. So whatever you do on the bass track actually affects all these tracks. Every track that's linked to this bass track will be affected, whether with the reverb, whether with the delay or whatsoever, that will be affected. So let me just for an extra, let me quickly show you how you can create sends or auxes. Let's right click and then this time we'll add effect track, and then here on effect we'll go, let's just say delay. I love this mono delay, so yeah, let's see. So now that we have our delay, we have to tell the delay that you only have to affect this track. So what we do, we select the bass track, we come here on sends, or you can just still the same, you can come this side and say sends, and then we select delay, make sure it's on, then the volume, make sure it's reduced. But in order for you guys to hear the effect, I'm just gonna leave it there and display. You guys can hear how it works. So that's how you create an aux or a send. This will be the end of this video. So if you guys need more of these tutorials, you guys can let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, especially if you are new to the channel. Just show some love, I'll really appreciate that. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one.